Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see what is, as statement, or we can say what is aliases in MySQL. We will try to understand with some examples. Before starting, let's decide our database first. After that select and from statement, to see the data in table. This is the present data in our students table. Let's take a question on same data. Suppose you want to select this ID column, but the condition is you want to rename the column as roll number. Now for that, yes, you can use alter command, but with the help of that, it will rename permanently. So you can use aliases here. Let's see how. Remove your previous queries from here. Right select, ID, as. Now you want to show it as roll number, so write roll number. Define your table name. Now execute this query. You can see the result is same as we need. Now let's back to our data. And we will try to solve one more question. In this question, we want to convert our whole data something like this. So our full name is your first name, plus last name. Let's do it. Right select your ID as roll number. After that, you want to concatenate both first name and last name. For that, use concat function. Inside, pass your first name and last name. In between you have to keep a space. For space, just use double quotes, and give blank space in between. Then your last name, after that this column name should be full name. At last define your table. So finally we got our results. This is all about this video. We will see more things in next videos. Do not forget to like the video, and please subscribe to the channel.